Welcome to Tunacheki's Africa Breaking News.
The IFRC has supported the Kenya Red Cross to launch an emergency appeal for 4.7 million Swiss francs. And with this emergency appeal, we are looking to support and assist over 150,000 people with shelter support, distribution of non-food items, some food assistance, water and sanitation services, particularly hygiene promotion. We'll also be providing health services to the affected communities because with the rains, we also anticipate that there will be outbreaks of waterborne diseases. So we're helping the communities prepare and respond to the effects of the floods. I would say the rains have been more than what was anticipated and forecasted, so the flooding is mainly related to that. There's been more rain than people were expecting. There are also issues of poor drainage, which has affected the flow of water and the seepage, and the destruction to the vegetation and the impact of the drought has also resulted in this flooding.
Did you like our video? Please let us know in the comments below and share our video with friends and family to support the channel.